Hey everybody, this is now my actual 1 year anniversary to the day of my upper jaw surgery. So I first of all want to apologize for all you guys who've seen my other video, um, which was I think 2 weeks out. I didn't get a chance to make any other videos, and I know a bunch of you guys had questions, and I tried to reply to those as much as I could on here on YouTube. But anyways, this is 1 year after. So here's the smile, the profile. For those of you guys who didn't see the first video, I had corrective jaw surgery on my upper jaw to correct an underbite and a crossbite. So what they did is they cut the upper jaw here and moved it forward about 7 millimeters. So now I have plates, 4 titanium plates that are here and like right in this area to correct the bite. So no pain. I still have a little bit of numbness in the gums in the upper areas. Not really anything to be concerned about. Most of the feeling is all back in my face, and everything is good. About 5 months ago, braces were taken off, and orthodontist said everything looks good. So I wear a retainer every night that I keep on to keep the upper straight, and then what he did is he put a permanent retainer that goes from like this tooth to this tooth underneath on the backside. So after about a week or so, you kind of get used to that. It's just a wire that they put in there, and it keeps the whole the bottom teeth straight. But other than that, to me, I think the biggest struggle I had this past year, obviously aside from the first 2 weeks of the pain and getting used to the whole after surgery, getting used to eating and everything like that, was, I think I mentioned in my last video, was the look of my face. Because obviously 7 millimeters of moving your jaw forward is going to change your appearance quite a bit. So for a long time I thought, gosh, my face looks really, really weird. And I think a lot of it is just because I wasn't used to it. So people would tell me, hey, your face looks fine. I think it looks good. It's a lot better than the underbite that I had before. But like I said before, you know, you're so used to and accustomed to your face before that you kind of have a sense of the surgery overcorrected things, which it didn't. You know, it just took me a while to realize that. So those of you who have had the surgery or are you know, a couple months out of having the surgery and probably thinking the same thing, a lot of it is your face needs time to heal. And I know a bunch of you guys had posted that and told me the same thing, that it is going to take a long time to get the swelling down and to get things back to normal. And so it actually just took a little while for me to realize that, but now I do. So, you know, I was very, very self-conscious when taking pictures. I said, God, my teeth look like there's just so many of them now, you know, and it wasn't. It was just me. Other than that, though, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, there was a time where it was like, you know, people would ask me, hey, if you can do it all over again, would you? And I questioned it. Like, I don't know if I would, because I don't like the way my face looks. I'm just not used to it. But like I said, after swelling goes down and the healing occurs, and, you know, like my nose looked like it was really like pushed out. My cheeks were super puffy, and I had, it looked like I all of a sudden just grew cheekbones that I didn't have before. But I would go back and look at my old pictures and say, well, it does look a lot better, you know, after everything is said and done, and you give your face time to let the healing process take its course. You do realize that, hey, this is probably for the best. I'm able to breathe a lot better because what it did by pulling the jaw forward that much, it opened up my nasal cavity a little bit. So I'm able to breathe a lot better. I was diagnosed with mild sleep apnea, not anything that I needed a CPAP or anything for, but doing this, they said, would help correct it a little bit. So, I mean, it helped. I still have a little bit of issues, you know, with breathing, but it helped out quite a bit. And those are for those of you who are actually getting surgery for you know, for to help fix whatever issue you may have with breathing. But other than that, like I said, exactly 1 year to the day, and I'm happy. See, I got a new smile. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave comments or ask your questions here, and I'll be more than happy to answer those as they come in. So I don't know if there's going to be any more changes happening with my face, but for the most part, I think this is probably the last video I'm going to post with regards to this, unless you guys have anything else that you would like to comment on, or to you have a question about anything. So thanks a lot, guys. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions, your doubts, your fears, your anxieties, and hopefully ease your mind a little bit as to what this surgery entails. Okay, thanks. Talk to you guys later. Bye.